Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today we opened positive, and in fact Nifty was significantly higher, Bank Nifty was not that much higher, but once opened Bank Nifty also shot up. Then immediately the selling came in Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty was too volatile. The whole day the Bank Nifty was hugely underperforming. At some point of time, Nifty was in green, but Bank Nifty was in red. And in fact, except Kotak Bank and all other banks were down in the morning. And only in the afternoon, because HDFC Bank result is coming tomorrow, so ahead of the results, the people want to square up their shorts. So some short covering happened in HDFC Bank. So that's why the HDFC Bank went up. So at the end of the day, there are 12 banks in Bank Nifty. Out of that, Federal Bank, Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank. So only these 3 banks were closing in green, whereas the 9 banks closed in red. It was a huge underperformance. And IT stocks as usual, like TCS, I don't know what is happening in TCS, keep on falling. And today, TCS has fallen nearly 80 rupees from intraday high to low. And it broke 3000 decisively. Yesterday also it broke 3000, but quickly closed above 3000. But today it broke 3000, it went, keep on falling. And this is a very, very terrible fall. And not only that, the TCS while falling, it dragged the Infosys also. Just 3 days before I saw Infosys trading around 1500. Now it is trading 1420. 80 rupees fall. Just the effect of TCS. So later in the afternoon, so both TCS and Infosys recovered. In fact, the recovery in IT stocks led the market rally above 16,000. So around in the afternoon, the Europe market opened. The Europe market opened in green only. So, but despite that, our market continued to fall, and particularly the Bank Nifty was very, very bad. But then around 1:30, the markets made bottom and started recovering. So HDFC Bank recovered, TCS recovered, and Infosys recovered. So it was a broad-based recovery, we can say. And that's why once the Nifty crossed 16,000, yesterday what happened, in the morning it was above 16,000, then fell, and the whole day it was trading below 16,000 until the end of the day. But today also, the moment market came below 16,000, people have shorted heavily and they put the stop loss above 16,000. And of course, Nifty went to 15,920, 930 like that, and then again reversed. And once Nifty crossed 16,000, the short covering has come, and that has taken the market higher by another 70, 80 points. Today, we can say a happy ending after a long time. And one thing I am happy that Nifty has crossed 16,000, closed firmly above 16,000. That is number one. And number two, more importantly, the VIX. The VIX continued to fall. And today, VIX has fallen by 4%. And today, I don't know how to check the data. So, because I am going to Hyderabad, so my flight is getting late, I have less time to do the research. But after a long time, Nifty, India VIX closing below 18. So that is something really very, very good. Just look at the December options. And today, the call options are trading at the same price, but put options fell. And put options fell like anything. So I'm holding some 15,000 put option and 18,000 call option. 18,000 call option was trading at the same price, but 15,000 put option fell 40 rupees. So December options are collapsing like anything. So I think that I've been talking to you for the last few days also, and people are, they are thinking, no, markets are not going to make any significant move from here. The people are coming to that conclusion. That's why the premiums are collapsing. So yesterday around closing time we were very, very bearish, and today we closed at the highest point of the day. So in fact, yesterday night, just before sleeping, I checked the SGX Nifty. It was trading around 15,800, and now it is closer to 16,100. So this 200, 300 point, up, down, up, down. So it's going to be killing the traders. but I really don't know how come the VIX is so low. So anyway, all is well. So that ends well. So this week, is a happier week, and not because the Nifty, but last week also Nifty went beyond 16,000, but the VIX did not fall, or at least the December option premiums did not fall. And in fact, I have so much of position. In the last 1 week alone, my MTM profit was more than 75 lakh rupees. Then you can imagine how much positions I have in December options. So let us hope tomorrow HDFC Bank comes with a decent results, and JP Morgan came out with not so good results. JP Morgan fell 4% in US. So I am not expecting very good results from HDFC Bank. Even if it is a good result, it may go higher by only 30-40 rupees maximum. So what I have done, I bought 1320 call option and sold 1400 call option 5 times. So my upper break even is at 1420. So let us see whether I am going to make some money, because my trade in TCS has gone very bad. Now let me see whether my trade in HDFC goes well. HDFC Bank goes well on Monday. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.